Well, it is wintertime in Michigan. It is the 1st of February, and I am working on cleaning up the lights in the bus. We have a 2014 Allegro bus, and all of the little lights. You can see I've already done the first half of them, and I'm in the midst of a number of projects here, but you can see all of these little lights have covers on them. And this is the cover. If you take the cover off, what you end up with is these pocket lights. And my problem with them is this. You can see where the moisture, especially in the bathroom, has rusted all of the white screws. So then as a result, you have a whole bunch of brown spots on your glass right here. And I've got some pictures. I forgot to run video while I was doing it, but I have some pictures of what that looks like as I was giving them a bath, washing them, getting rid of all the brown spots. But now I am putting them back up. I'm taking out the screws and replacing them with new screws. So if you want to see what we're replacing them with, I started out with this box right here. A JQK white screw. But you see the part number right there. But those are actually a hair too big. That would be these screws. These are really what you need right here, the smaller version of that screw. And here is the part numbers. It's JQK, but it's an SBW 422-P100 white screw. And that's really what you're going to need to use to screw these back in and get rid of the old ones. I found a few of the bigger screws mixed in with all the smaller ones that were done by the manufacturer, I'm guessing, at that time. And so I'm going to replace best everything I can and clean everything back up. So just wanted to show you what I'm doing and how to do it. And when you take those glasses off, you've got to push them up really hard, turn really hard. That's the only way you're going to get them off. And when you put them on, make sure you put them back on, turn them tight. And I'll show you how that's done. Okay, this is simple and easy. I'm going to do these lights with them off, because if they're on, they're too bright to really see. So simple. Take your drill. Okay, so now you've seen I've got the screws down. Just did this one, but then you take the new screws, just the little guys, they're white. Back up, go careful, put the drill on the setting number 1 so it doesn't tighten very much. Don't want to strip them into the wood. And then take the lens right here, put that on, it's in there, turn it tight. You're good to go. You can see that one's covered, looks good. And we don't have all the stains on it that we would have here from the screw shining through. You can even see with this one cleaned, you can kind of see a little bit that rust shining through, and that's not what we want to see. When you take these off and that rust stain is still on here, so you have to wash these all, and it gets anything dirt, anything else that's in here clean, gets it out. I'm doing them all. I can't remember, I think there's 65 or 70 of them in the bus, but at least you kind of know what we're doing and how to do it. Simple job. Taking the lenses down sometimes they're hard. Just push hard up and turn. And got to twist. 2 hands. These are slippery. You don't want to lose them and hit your tile floor. Simple explanation. Until the next video, Marvell Bus out.